There you go.
4mm.
Wow, that looks good.
Which is great, but it was announced before.
Wow. So this is A6600 by Sony. If my Osmo Pocket focuses on it, yes, A6600 would be great. No, can I follow her? Yeah. Now the camera is following her.
Very good.
Yep. Like any good creep.
Welcome to the future. Welcome to IFA 2019.
I'm heading to Berlin for IFA. I'm crazy excited. Like, this is the biggest trade show in Europe.
Bonjour. Let's move on to today's agenda. There will be a Sony event and I am kind of hoping to get my hands on an A6600. I'm seriously considering that because if I'm gonna upgrade the Osmo Pocket, it should be something fantastic. There you go.
4mm.
Wow, that looks good.
Which is great, but it was announced before.
Wow. So this is A6600 by Sony. If my Osmo Pocket focuses on it, yes, A6600 by Sony. There you go. And with the fancy lens, that costs as much as the body. Gorgeous. I want one. Be great. But can I follow her? Yeah. Now the camera is following her.
Very good.
Yep. Like any good creep. She's lost. She's back on. This is kind of an active track test at 4K 24 frames per second on a gorgeous model, and apparently Osmo Pocket is a ladies' man. It is chasing the girl pretty good, but also the light is absolutely fantastic here. This is actually, now I'm gonna stop chasing her. This is actually the testing booth of Sony's new cameras. There's 6400 here, there's 6600 here, which I'll end up buying. Okay, this is working. This is good. I just did the stress test and it is doing great. Yep. Beautiful. Right, so I made it to central Berlin. This is a beautiful city. I just love it. Like, the Berlin city center is gorgeous. It's full of history, like the Cold War history, Germany's own history. Like, this used to be a divided city until what, 30 years ago? Is it 30 years? Yeah, about 30 years ago. So this is a very interesting city. I'm really happy to be here. And I'm at the very center of Berlin. I'll show you a couple of footage. Wow, it's a bit windy.